Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting trigonometric question. If tangent of angle 4 theta times tangent of angle 5 theta equals to 1, then our task is to calculate the value of cosecant of angle 3 theta. And please bear in mind, we're not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on this question once again. We got tangent of angle 4 theta times tangent of angle 5 theta equals to 1. And since we are not supposed to be using calculators, so therefore we are going to think outside the box, and we are going to manipulate these terms to calculate the value of cosecant of 3 theta. So therefore let's recall the cofunctions. And let's focus on this right triangle ABC. If we have angles alpha and beta, then these two angles are called the complementary angles. If their sum equals to 90 degrees. In other words, angle alpha plus angle beta must be equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, if I call this angle theta, then this angle has got to be 90 degrees minus theta. So therefore, the functions sine and cosine are our cofunctions, since these two angles are our complementary angles. Likewise, tangent and cotangent are our cofunctions. And finally, secant and cosecant are our cofunctions as well. Since the sum of these two angles, if we add them, that is going to be equal to 90 degrees. No wonder we call them complementary angles. And now we are going to focus on this given equation. If we multiply these two factors, and if this is equal to 1, then we conclude that these two angles have got to be our complementary angles. In other words, the sum of these angles 4 theta and 5 theta, let me go ahead and write down 4 theta plus 5 theta must be equal to 90 degrees. And if we add the left hand side, we are going to get 9 times angle theta equals to 90 degrees. And now I'm going to isolate this angle theta by dividing by 9 on both sides. So therefore this 9 and 9 is gone, so therefore this angle theta turns out to be equal to 10 degrees. And since our angle turns out to be equal to theta equals to 10 degrees, and now we are going to focus on cosecant of 3 theta. And here I have copied down cosecant of angle 3 theta. And now we know theta value is 10 degrees. So therefore 3 times angle 10 degrees has got to be 30 degrees. So therefore this is going to become cosecant of 30 degrees. And now we know that cosecant of theta could be written as 1 divided by sine theta. They are our reciprocal functions. So therefore cosecant of 30 degrees could be written as 1 divided by sine of 30 degrees. And now we know that sine of 30 degrees is simply 1 divided by 2. So therefore we are going to replace sine of 30 degrees with 1 divided by 2 over here. So therefore this could be written as 1 divided by 1 divided by 2. And now we know 1 divided by 2 is going to be equal to simply 2 value. In other words, the value of cosecant of 3 theta turns out to be equal to 2. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the value of cosecant of 3 theta turns out to be equal to 2. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.